Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add your phone number to TikTok. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime Music and Amazon Music Unlimited. And I have some promotional links to both of these. One of the links, it gives you Amazon Prime Music for free for 30 days. It's a trial. And the other one you get to Amazon Music Unlimited for only 99 cents per month. So I have those in my video description. So click in the video description and you should have access to those. And I'll go over more details on what you get with each subscription. So stick around till the end of the video. Anyways, let's go back to TikTok. To add your phone number into TikTok, what you'll do is first log in, launch the app and log in into it. Once you have logged into it, look on the bottom right hand corner. Do you see this icon right here? Click on the icon and that will take you to your profile page. Once you're here, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see those three dots on the very top? These three dots over here? Click on those and it take you to the privacy and settings page. Once you're here, go on to the account section. Underneath here, there's something called manage my account. Click on that and it'll take you to here. Once you're here, click on where it says phone number. And then from there, you can go ahead and enter your phone number. And I'm going to block my phone number for privacy reasons, obviously. So just put in the area code and the 7-digit number and click after you enter your number, click on the arrow pointing to the right. And I think they send you a code which you have to text. Mine is 2522. Let's enter that. 2522. And I'll click on next. And there you go. That's how you can enter your number into TikTok. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. But anyway, back to the promotion links that I told you about. I have one link for Amazon Prime Music. It's a free 30-day trial, and for this you get unlimited ad-free access to over 1 million songs and albums. You're able to stream 40,000 movies and TV episodes. You can borrow books from the Kindle Owners Lending Library. And also my very favorite one is you can get unlimited free 2-day shipping with no minimum order size. I have a link for that in the video description. Click on that. And I also have another link for Amazon Music Unlimited. This one you get 3 months of this for only 99 cents a month. That's an amazing deal. And this is, for those of you who don't know, it's similar to Spotify or Apple Music at a really nice price. And with that, you also get on-demand music, always ad-free. You can listen to it offline, and you can use it hands-free with the Alexa device. Those are the two links. Please give them a try and let me know what you think. And thank you for watching.